Ever wonder how the Egyptians built the pyramids without cranes or modern machines? The truth might shock you. 4,500 years ago, the Egyptians constructed the Great Pyramids of Giza, using nothing more than copper tools and raw manpower. Here's how they did it. They used simple chisels and hammers to carve out massive limestone blocks. Each block weighed several tons. To move these blocks, they slid them across the desert using wooden sleds on damp sand. Wetting the sand made it easier to drag the stones without getting stuck. But how did they get these massive stones to the top? That's still debated today. Some think they used straight ramps, while others believe they spiraled the ramps around the pyramid. This ancient engineering wonder proves how ingenious humans were, long before modern technology. Want to dive deeper into how the pyramids were built? Watch my full video where I uncover even more amazing details about this incredible feat of history. Could the pyramids be rebuilt today without machines? Let's find out.